Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to sell Shopify using Printify. So first, open up your Shopify store and you need to make sure that you sign in your account. Now go to the left side of your screen and click this Add Apps. Now when you click that one, you will go to this page and then scroll down and click on the Shopify App Store. And then you will be directly go to Shopify App Store. And here on the search box, I want you to type right here, Printify. And then go to this Printify Print on Demand. So click this app right here. And then all you need to do is just click this install button right here. So once you click on that button, you will go here and you need to choose the account. So for example, this one. And then you will go directly on this page where you can click this install app. And then once you do that, you will go here to sign up your account on Printify. So you can sign up using your email. And then here on the homepage, all you need to do is click on the catalog right here at the top left. And from here, all you need to do is choose the product that you want to make a design. For example, I want to choose right here t-shirt. And then as you can see, so you need to click on this start designing. And here you can now design your own t-shirt, or you can go to canva.com to get some beautiful designs or t-shirt designs, but you need to make sure that you subscribe to Pro to enable all of the design right here. So for example, I just want to click this design retro, then click this continue with this template. And here, just customize or edit this one. Then once you've done, click on the share button at the top right. Then click on download. Again, click on the download button. Then once you downloaded this design right here, let's go back to Printify and just upload that design. And as you can see here, you can actually customize or change the size of the design on your t-shirt. So once you've done editing your t-shirt, your color, and the design, now all you need to do is click on this product variants right here at the top right and just set this up right here. So just click what variant do you want and then click save product right here at the bottom right. And then you can actually add some variants if you want to add, for example, the sizes, and you can actually edit the price right here. So once you've done editing or adding some variants right here, so if I check this one, scroll down and then click this connect a store and then try to tap on connect button, and right here choose the Shopify store and just click on connect to Shopify. And then just connect your Shopify to the Printify by typing your Shopify link right here. So that's how you basically sell Shopify using Printify. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.